So, very good afternoon to all. First, we are going to discuss last day's homework answers. After that, we will discuss how we can do division on number line and properties of division. So, first, we can check homework answers. Have you all done homework? Last day's homework?
Ma'am, that little question was very confusion.
Yes,
Yes.
we can going to discuss the answers. Okay.
Because I did not do.
We can see. Okay, so all of you, those who have done, please take your notebook and check the answer. Okay, my dear children, for the first question, you have to find out the dividend, divisor, and quotient for the given question. 63 divided by 9. Here dividend is 63, divisor is 9, quotient is 7. Like that. Next question, Arpita, please unmute. Yes, my dear, 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. Which is the dividend? What is the dividend, my dear?
Ma'am.
Excuse
me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
This homework I did not did.
Okay, let it be the. Okay, dear. You didn't attend the class also?
No.
So, for the time being, you listen here. 63 divided by 9 equal to 7. In that, dividend is 63. The first number is the dividend. Okay. And divisor is the second number, 9. Okay. And the answer is the quotient. That means quotient equal to 7. Clear? Like that. In this question, what is the dividend? 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. Which is the dividend? What is the first number?
80.
So dividend equal to 80. And divisor equal to?
2.
2. Very good. And quotient equal to?
9.
9. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Please do the homework. Copy down the notes and do. So wait, please unmute for the next question. Unmute. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Which is the dividend, my dear?
50.
Yes, correct. Say?
50.
15. 15 is the dividend. And which is the divisor?
3.
3. And which is the quotient?
5.
5. 5 is the quotient. Quotient. Quotient is 5. Very good. Hope you all understood. Next you have to find out that you have to write the 2 division facts for the given multiplication facts. 6 into 10 equal to 60. For that, 60 product should be the dividend every time. 6. Now no need to copy down. Those who haven't done, no need to copy down. After the class you can. 60 divided by 10 equal to 6. Again, 60 divided by 6 equal to 10. That are the 2 division facts. Here, the product is the dividend every time. Only the divisor and the quotient is changing. We are just interchanging. So, next question answer I want from Shiva Shankaran. Please unmute. Shiva Shankaran, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
3 4s are 12. Which are the 2 division facts? Product should be the dividend. What is the product over here?
12.
Huh?
12
Sorry.
12
12. That should be the dividend. 12 divided by
4
uh, equal to
equal to 3.
3. Next, you have to change the divisor and the quotient. The dividend should be same. So again,
12 divided by
uh,
3 equal to 4.
12 divided by 3 equal to
4.
4. Good. Have you done? Have you done this, my dear? Homework? New Year celebrated, but today you all have to complete if anybody is there. Now, Parvana, please unmute. Next
Yes, ma'am.
question.
20
20.
20 divided by
Uh,
4 equals 5.
First, you can write 20 divided. That way, it's better. Otherwise, you will get confused. Every time you write 20 divided by divisor should be the number of objects first. After that, both are correct. But if you are not following in same pattern, you will get confused. So it will be better if you are writing like this. 20 divided by 5 equal to 4 first. Okay, that is whatever you have written is correct. But it will be better. You can avoid confusion if you are writing like this. Okay. So 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. Next one, what will be next one?
20 divided by 4 equals 5.
Yes, very good. Now, Sarah has done. Done? Feeling sleepy? Yes. And mute.
Ma'am?
Done? Homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Got correct answer?
Yes.
Okay. Now, anybody has any doubt regarding this? How to do?
Ma'am. Ma'am. No. Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Easy. No.
now we are going to discuss how we will do division on number line. Okay. So, please close your books. Please close your all the books. Fold your hands. Now, I'll show you one example. Very easy. Very easy to do. Okay. For example, 10 divided by 5. That is the question. How we will divide this question on number line? First you have to check the dividend. Here, what is the dividend? 10 is the dividend. So, that dividend you should mark on the number line. Here, we mark 10. After that, what is the divisor? You can see here 5 is the divisor. That means you have to do backward jumping to the fifth number until you reach 0. For example, starting from 10, fifth number, as the divisor is 5, you have to jump to the fifth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can't stop. We have to reach 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we reached 0. How many jumps we have done? 1, 2. That means 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Okay, like that. One more question. I will show you example. 8 divided by 2. Devach, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, in this question, what is the dividend? 8 divided by 2?
8.
8. So, first what we have to do? We have to mark the dividend in the number line. Then what we have to do?
Back jump.
Backward jumping. How much? by to the which number? To
2.
the second number. We have to do the backward jumping to the second number.
Second
Till
number.
when?
2.
Till we reach a
Till
0.
0.
Okay. So from 8 we can start 1, 2. Where we reached?
6.
6. Again 1, 2. Where we reached?
4.
4. 1, 2. Where we reached?
2.
2. 1, 2. Where we reached?
0.
Once we reach 0, we can stop. Now what we have to do? To get answer, what we have to do? We have to get the answer. 8 divided by 2, how much? To get that, what we have to do?
4.
We have to check the number of jumps we have done. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many jumps we have done? 4. So, 8 divided by 2 equal to
4.
4. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Very good, my dear. You can mute your audio. Now, in Meenakshi, Anu, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
One question for you. 15 divided by 3.
15.
Here. First, what we have to do?
We went.
Before jumping, we have to mark which number?
15.
Yes. So first we have to check the dividend and that we have to mark on the number line. For every problem you have to do like that. First you have to check the dividend and that you have to mark the number line. Then we have to do by jumping to which number?
12.
No, my dear. By which number we have to do the jumping? Yes, 12 is correct. How you understood that? You have to jump to 12 by checking which number you have done that.
3.
3. Yes. Next we have to check the divisor. Here 3. So we have to do the jump backward jumping by 3. So we have to check the third number. 1, 2, 3. Where we reached? Where we reached, my dear?
12.
We have to do this till we reach 0. Again, 1, 2, 3. Where we reach?
9.
9. Very good. Again, 1, 2, 3. 6. Very good. Again, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Again, 1, 2, 3. Do you want to do again jumping?
No.
No, because we reach 0. Then how we will get the answer? 15 divided by 3 equal to, what do you have to do to get the answer?
5.
5. What is this 5? Number of jumps we have done. Number of jumps. Here 1 jump, 2 jump, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps we have done. So 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now everybody open your notebook. Everybody open your notebook. If you don't have skill to draw a number line, you can do it the same in the rough book. And later you can copy down to your notebook. Anyways, you have to do 12 divided by 4. On the number line, you can mark till 12 and you can do the jumping by 4. Or you can jump to the fourth number and find out the answer. Jyoti? Yes. Next, Anika, please unmute. Anika. Yes, my dear. How we will do this 12 divided by 4? First, what do you have to mark on number line? Don't mute. Unmute. First. What do you have to do first? Sorry? Your voice is not audible, my dear. I'll come to you later. Let Joshua please unmute. Your video is not on. Joshua. Kevin, please unmute. Unmute.
Yes,
First,
ma'am.
what do you have to do? 12 divided by 4. First, we have to do
12 divided 4.
dividend. We have to check. Here, dividend is
12.
12. Then this 12, what we have to do?
Round.
We have to mark on the number line. After that,
Jump.
jump by which number? Skipping by which number? 4. We have to check the divisor. Here divisor is 4. And then you have to do the skip counting or jumping by 4. Forward or backward? Backward jumping or forward jumping?
Forward.
Do you want to do forward? My dear, we are
Backward.
doing backward. Yes. To the 4th number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we reached?
8.
8. Can we stop the jumping?
No.
No. We have to reach 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we reached?
0.
Now can we stop?
Yes.
Yes. Now how we will get the answer? 12 divided by 4 equal to?
Jump.
We have to count the number of jumps. How many jumps are
3.
there?
3.
1, 2, 3. So what is the answer?
3.
3. Very good. Hope you all have understood. If anybody is there to complete, no problem. I will send in the WhatsApp. Okay. So have you all understood how it is doing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss the properties of division. Okay. Again, keep your pencil down, my dear children. Navaneet, have you done? Please unmute, Navaneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Keep your book down. Keep your pencil down. Close your book and listen here. So first property. First property is this one. When a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. Quotient means answer. When we divide a number by 1, we will get the same number as answer. For example, 5 divided by 1 equal to 5. 9 divided by 1 equal to 9. That is the first property. When we divide a number by 1, we will get the same number as answer. I'll show you one example for that. My dear children, here, how many children are there?
My 5 children.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. And here, only 1 apple. So, this apple, so total 5 children are there here and only 1 apple. How we want to cut this apple into how many slices to give to these children equally?
One slice.
Then only each children will get one slice. So 5 divided by 1 equals
1, 5. 5.
Children is having one piece. Total, how many? 5 pieces are there.
5 piece.
So
5
5
pieces.
children are there. Only one apple. To distribute this apple equally among these children, we cut the apple into 5 equal.
5 pieces.
Okay, like
Okay,
that. Not only 5 divided by 1, whatever
by
may be the
5.
number, if you divide it by 1, you will get the same number as answer.
When 10
That
divide 10, when we divide by 10, it is also 10.
10,000, whatever may be the number. If you divide by 1, you will get same number as answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, for another example, if you have 3 chocolates and if you want to make groups of 1,
1.
groups of 1, how many groups we will get?
We will get.
We have 3 chocolates.
1 group.
One.
3.
We want to give to 3 children. If we want to give to 1 children, how many 1 will get? 3 will.
3.
3 divided by 1 equal to
3. Same like multiplication. 3 into 1, 3.
that reverse. Yes. Good. There is a multiplication fact. 3 into 1 equal to 3. Very good, my dear. Next, property 2. When a non-zero number means other than 0, any number. Okay, other than 0, any number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1.
So 0
For
divided
example,
by 2, it will be in 1.
5 divided by 5 equal to 1. 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. Davids, listen. Here,
In subtraction,
how many children are there here?
4
children.
1, 2, 3, 4 children are there.
4 children.
And there are 4 apples in this basket.
Okay.
So, there are total 4 children and there are 4 apples. Then
4
each one
apples.
will get how many apples?
1 apple.
1 apple. See? Each one will get one apple.
1
That
apple.
means 4 divided by 4 equal to 1.
1.
And 10
Okay.
divided by 10 equal to 1. 1000
1.
divided by 1000 equal to 1.
1.
That means
One.
the
1000
number is
divided by
divided
one.
by itself. The answer
1000.
is 1.
1000 divided by 1 is equal to 1000.
Yes, very good. 1000 divided by 1 equal to 1000. That is the property 1. Now property 3. So 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Now property 3. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number. Non-zero number means other than 0. Why non-zero number? Why we can't make it by 0? Because the division by 0 is not defined. So that's why we can't make division by 0. So when 0 is divided by a non-zero number other than 0, any number, the quotient is 0.
Can you show one example?
Yes. Here, total how many children you can see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Children. 6.
6 children are there. In this basket, no apples. That means 0 apples. We are
Okay.
going to divide this apple among these 6 children. How much apple they will get? Any apple they will get?
0.
0. So here are no apples. That means 0 apples. 6 children are there. We are going to divide among 6 children.
That boy does not have any apple.
They won't get any apple.
Any apple.
So 0 divided by 6 equal to 0. Like
0.
that 0 divided by 20 equal to 0. 0
0.
divided
By
by
7 is equal to
0.
0.
whatever may be the number, 0 divided by that
0.
number will be 0. So we have discussed 3 properties. First one, if a number we divide by 1, we will get the same number as answer. 5 divided by 1,
5.
5. 10 divided by 1,
10.
10. Like that, whatever may be the number, if we divide by 1, we will get same number as answer. Or the quotient will be same number. Next one, if we divide a non-zero number by itself, we will get answer
0.
as 1.
1.
A non-zero number by itself. For example, 3 divided by 3. What you will get?
1.
1. 100 divided by 100. You will get? 1. 1000 divided by 1000. We will get? 1. Next property is if 0 is divided by a non-zero number. That means other than 0, any number.
Or 7. 0.
0. We will get 0 as answer. 0 by 6?
0.
0 by 100?
0.
0 by 25?
0.
0.
So now everybody open your notebook. We can do few questions.
But I read it.
Take your notebook. Open your notebook. No need to write heading now. That I will send in the WhatsApp. Please space for writing the heading and all. Fastly you write the question and answer. 7 divided by 1 equal to dash. 18 divided by 18 equal to dash. Then 0 divided by 20 equal to dash. Write the answer first. Leave space for writing the heading. Arthur, please unmute. 7 divided by 1, what you will get, my dear?
1.
7 divided by 1.
7.
Ah, yes. 7 divided by 1 is 7. When we divide a number by 1, we will get the same number as answer. Hope it's clear. Other?
Yes. I'm writing in my rough book, so I didn't write.
Okay, okay. Very good. Now, next question 2. Navaneet, please unmute.
Yes,
18 divided by 18.
80.
18 divided by 18. If we divide a number by itself, we will get 1 as answer. For example, 15 divided by 15 equal to 1. 30 divided by 30 equal to 1. 100 divided by 100 equal to 1. So 18 divided by 18 equal to? Navaneet?
Yes, ma'am.
18 divided by 18 equal to what you will get? My dear, 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. 100 divided by 100 equal to 1. Like that, 18 divided by 18 equal to?
Ma'am,
1. Clear? Have you understood now? Yes or no?
1. Yes.
Okay. Now you can mute your audio. Jyoti, please unmute. Jyoti. She has some network issue, I think. Deva, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
0 divided by 20 equal to?
0.
0. Whatever may be the number, if 0 is divided by the any non-zero number, you will get 0. 0 divided by 20 equal to 0. 0 divided by 35 equal to 0. Like that, whatever may be the number, 0 divided by that number equal to 0. So, some homework question will be there. Please do it. Copy to your notebook and do it. Okay? And do you have any doubt, my dear children, how to these properties of division? Catherine, have you done all these questions?
Yes. Yes.
Catherine, have you done these questions?
All questions done.
Okay. So now I am going to wind up the class.
Ma'am, multiplication.
Sorry?
Like multiplication.
Sorry? So everybody asking together like this, I can.
Ma'am, it's coming from Suvrit. Coming from Suvrit.
Yes. Okay, so can we wind up the class? Let us wind up. Yes.
Ma'am,
Bye. See you next day. Bye.
Bye.